Hey, today we're going to be going over the examples for 10.2, finding arc measures. This is example number 1. Over here it says, find the measure of each arc of circle P, where segment RT is a diameter. So there's a lot of good information here that we want to take note of. First of all, this is circle P, and we can tell that this is circle P because in the center is point P. So we can call it circle P here, okay? The key here also is to know that segment RT is a diameter, so it starts at R and then it ends at T. This is really important to know because if we have a diameter in a circle, that creates a semicircle, okay? So if we have a diameter, then we can automatically assume that there is going to be a semicircle. And the reason why this is important information is because a semicircle, semi meaning half, half of a circle, then the arc measure is going to equal 180 degrees. So the arc measure of a semicircle is 180 degrees, meaning that this over here will be 180 degrees, as well as this highlighted blue part will also be 180 degrees. Please note also that a circle is going to always be 360 degrees. So let's go ahead and find these measures. So first off, for A, we're going to read this symbol as arc RS. So arc RS, let's take a look at where RS is located. Well, R is over here. Whoopsies. I'll label it green. R is over here. S is located here. And we have this right over here. Notice we have a 110 degrees. This is going to be the measure of angle RPS, will be 110 degrees. The cool thing here is if we have an angle like this is our angle, that is going to be the same measure as the arc, meaning that arc RS is also going to equal 110 degrees. So this is just 110 degrees as well, okay? All right, let's go to B. B says to find the arc, the measure of arc RTS. So let's go see where RTS is. Let me go ahead and erase all of this. RTS, so let's follow along. So R, T to S. So we're taking a look at this arc right over here. So many things that we could do here. We can see that from R to T, this is a semicircle, and a semicircle is 180 degrees. So we already have that portion over here. So R to T, that is 180 degrees. And then what about from this T to S? From arc T to S, right over here. Well, since we know that RT is going to be 180 degrees, so all of this is 180 degrees. If we are accounting for 110 of that, well, how much do we need in order for us to get to 180? That is going to be 70 degrees. So from R to T to S, let me put 70 degrees there, we're going to have that 180 plus 70, and 180 plus 70 is going to give us 250 degrees. So the measure of arc RTS is 250 degrees. Cool. Let's finish off with RST. So arc RST, let's find out what that is going to be. So R to S to T. So you want to go into that order. Oh, well, we already know that this is 180 and this is 70. So 100, sorry, not 110, 110. 110 plus 70 going to equal 180 degrees. So this will equal 180 degrees. And that's how we can use these properties of the circle to find out arc measurements. Okay, that's it. Bye.